morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. How was
Good morning, ma'am.
okay? How was your experience of taking the exam through Snap homework?
It was weird, ma'am.
Huh? Bad.
Yes, ma'am, very bad.
Why? What kind of problem you faced, Anuj? What happened?
मैम हम तीन ही एग्जामों को मैम एक एग्जाम को हमको 3 बार देना पड़ा
अच्छा,
साइंस
क्यों?
का तो बार गया
क्यों? Why? What was the problem?
बार बार
Ma'am,
पेपर
हाँ,
अच्छा
अनुज पहले
camera was also not working.
वेट, एक आदमी बोल रहा था उसको. हाँ, what happened, अनुज?
मैम पेज 2 बार रिफ्रेश हो गया इसलिए हमको 3 बार देना पड़ा
अच्छा, तो तुमको
It's your problem.
wait, those who have faced problem, you tell me, because we have to communicate this to our principal sir. Siddhi Shri, what problem you faced? You were saying something.
Ma'am, camera was also not working. Ma'am, by tapping 5 or 6 times, it starts working.
Oh, camera did not work properly. अच्छा, और किसी को कोई problem हुआ? Any Siddhi Shri, Anuj Sharan, anyone else faced problem?
No, ma'am.
Nirbhay, you did not face any problem.
No, ma'am.
Okay. अच्छा, और
Ma'am, I also faced camera problem.
what happened, Pragya? You tell your problem.
Ma'am, I was not able to take photos. Ma'am, I have to write and give the test of maths by writing.
You have to click
Arey,
on the wait, you have to click on the camera icon and wait for a few seconds.
No,
Ma'am, I
ma'am,
waited, but it not worked.
कैमरा के बगल में जो लिखा रहेगा उसको क्लिक करो तो
किए थे, नहीं किया.
कैमरा को क्लिक मत करना कैमरा के बगल वाले को करना जस्ट
मैथ्स के टेस्ट में बहुत टाइम लगा था टाइप करने में.
कैमरा के राइट साइड
कैमरा
में जो सुनो प्रज्ञा, कैमरा
Yes,
के
ma'am.
राइट साइड में क्लिक करना है.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
wait for 4 or 5 minutes. Seconds, sorry, seconds. 4 or 5 seconds. You click on the right.
Ma'am, it took me 10 minutes to just click one photo. And I tapped on the right side of the camera.
Then it is a problem. I don't know why some people are able to give, some students were able to take it smoothly and some are facing problem. That is the thing. Anyone else? Siddhi Shri, Pragya, Anuj Sharan. 3 problems I heard. Anyone else?
No, ma'am.
Means, it takes time. When you click on the camera icon, it takes some time. ये problem था एक. और कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ? नहीं.
मैम चेक कैसे कर सकते हैं मैम, जैसे कि कैमरा में फोटो डाल दिए, मैम चेक करना है कि मैम वही फोटो है.
वो बगल में दिखाता है ना, बगल में दिखाता है. And once your paper
Okay, ma'am.
once your paper is submitted successfully, you will get the message, your response has been recorded. You'll get that message.
मैम IMG इमेज लिखा जाता है और नंबर
क्या?
मैम इमेज IMG एंड नंबर लिखा जाता है इमेज नंबर
फिर से बोलो, नहीं समझ नहीं आया क्या?
मैम जैसे चेक करते हैं ना, तो मैम जैसे कि पिक्चर डाल दिए तो मैम उसके बगल में IMG और नंबर दे देता है मैम, तो मैम चेक कैसे करेंगे कि मैम वही फोटो है?
तो पिक्चर का नाम होता है, वो पिक्चर का नाम होता है IMG और नंबर.
यस मैम. मैम वो शो नहीं करता है, हमने कॉन्सेप्ट उसको पिक्चर को क्लिक किया है बाद में.
अच्छा, अब देखो अगला संडे भी यही है. अगला संडे हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कि थोड़ा और इम्प्रूव हो, कि हाफ-अर्ली में तुम लोग को प्रॉब्लम नहीं आए. अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay. Today we will do some grammar revision tomorrow I will again take a quiz from, I'll send you the chapters today on the WhatsApp group, and the same kind of quiz you had taken earlier. And only that I want to tell you that one student should attempt it only once. In the previous quiz, when I was going through the names, I saw that few students had attempted 2 or 3 times. So then that is not fair now. So at least you have to be honest to yourself. You attempt only once. Okay. So here this is a error correction exercise. So in every line there is one mistake, and you have to point out the mistake and substitute it with the right word. Who will answer first? In the traditional sense, prayer meant.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay,
Ma'am, prayer means.
Bhavya
ma'am,
answer.
instead
Bhavya.
of-
Bhavya.
मैम मीन्ट एरर है मीन्स होगा.
Yes, correct. Meant is the error, means. क्योंकि ये एक जनरल ट्रूथ है हमेशा. It's not that it's true, means. In the traditional sense, prayer means communicating on God Almighty, which is the mistake. Who will answer? One person answer.
Ma'am, on is the. Ma'am, may I?
Wait, let Advait answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Advait, you
Ma'am,
want to answer?
on is incorrect.
On is incorrect. What is the correct word?
Ma'am, through.
Communicating through.
Ma'am, with.
Through तो
Ma'am, with.
के द्वारा हो जाता है.
Ma'am, with.
Communicating with. Okay, communicating with. With is. Yes, with is appropriate. Pragya, you wanted to answer? So
Yes, ma'am.
it includes the devotions, verbal but mental prayers. That are
Ma'am, but is incorrect. Ma'am, but is incorrect. And is the correct word.
verbal and mental. Verbal and mental और भी हो सकता है ना, verbal और mental. It includes the devotions, verbal. I think or is more suitable. Verbal हो या mental हो. And भी गलत
More.
नहीं कह सकते हैं, लेकिन चलो दोनों रखते हैं हम. और एंड कभी कभी एक से ज्यादा वर्ड सुटेबल होता है कोई ये में, तो और verbal और mental prayers, verbal and mental prayers that are saying. So who wants to answer D? One person. Tell your name. Who wants to answer? That are saying.
Ma'am, can I?
Siddhi Shri, okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
that are said.
Yes, very good. That are said. Saying is the wrong word. That are said. Yes, very good. Verbal or mental prayers that are said. So the sentence ends here. See, like when you are not getting the answers, you read the paragraph as a whole. Sometimes बाद के sentence से भी कुछ meaning निकल जाता है जो help करता है. So there are various ways and forms to prayers and meditations.
Ma'am, two. Ma'am, Ma'am, can I?
Aditya Raj answer. Aditya Raj.
Ma'am, 2 के जगह मैम 4.
2 के जगह 4. हाँ, सही बोला. 2 is the wrong word. Correct word is नहीं. 2 के जगह 4 नहीं होगा, कुछ और होगा. फिर से सोचो. There are various forms. For नहीं.
Ma'am, off.
हाँ, off. हाँ.
Off.
For
There are
is not.
various-
हाँ. For is not seeming suitable. हाँ. सुनने से suitable होना. Yes. 2 तो सही ही था. Off. There are various forms of prayers and meditation, vocal prayers, etc.
मैम and की जगह और.
मैम एंड की जगह लाइक.
Bhavya told the correct answer. And ke jagah like. Just there are various forms of prayers like meditation, vocal prayers, etc. लग रहा है ना suitable? There are various forms. There are various ways and forms of prayer like meditation, vocal prayers, etc. Like is suitable over here. Like meditation, vocal prayers, etc. But the fundamental, either the base of prayer are not any of these. But the fundamental, either the
मैम
base
इज
of, huh?
इधर की जगह is
Ma'am, either
Or the
instead of
base.
either then
Wait. Who will answer? Aditya, what did you say instead of either?
मैम but the fundamental मैम is
But the fundamental is the base of prayer. No, is not suitable. Anyone else? Pragya, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, but the fundamental or the base of prayer.
Yes, very good, Pragya. Yes. Either is the wrong word and the correct word is or. But the fundamental or the base. But the fundamental or the base of prayer will answer
Ma'am,
the
is
last.
instead of R. Ma'am,
हो
is
सकता है
instead of R.
Okay, Sugandh, yes.
is
Sugandh, your answer is correct. Sugandh Kumar, your answer is correct. R is the wrong word because our word is prayer. With prayer, you will use is. Okay. Is okay. So this is an episode from the Ramayana. If you know the meaning of the paragraph, it is easy for you to do it. That episode where the deer attracts Sita. Maricha is the character whom Ravan tells to take the form of a deer. Maricha disguised himself as a deer. Okay. So what is the error in the first line?
Ma'am, into.
Himself
Ma'am,
instead
into.
of him.
Yes,
Ma'am,
himself
himself.
instead of him. वो अपने आप को ही बदला था ना. Have you watched episodes of the Ramayana?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So he changed himself. ऐसे जिसको नहीं पता है ये वो कंफ्यूज कर जाएगा क्योंकि वो किसी और को भी तो बदल सकता है. हाँ.
yes
Ma'am,
ma'am
into is also wrong.
Himself. वो अपने आप को ही बदल लिया. When Ravan threatened him that if you don't help me, I will kill you. Then he changed himself into a charming golden deer on surpassing beauty. Surpassing means
By surpassing.
very.
Ma'am, by surpassing.
नहीं, by नहीं होगा.
Ma'am, with.
Ma'am, with.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Sugandh.
with.
With, yes, Sugandh and Pragya gave the correct answer. On is the wrong word. With surpassing beauty. On is the wrong word and the correct word is with. Okay. You can
Ma'am, by who?
you can send your answers in chat because only few students are answering. मैं देख लूंगी. You can इसको नीचे शिफ्ट कर देते. Okay. With surpassing beauty and wandered around an ashrama. You can send your answers in chat. Yes, Sugandh, your answer is correct. Pragya answer is correct. Bhavya answer is correct. Advait, Nirbhay answer is correct. So many of you have sent the correct answers. Nirbhay, Siddhishri answer is correct. Advait also correct answer. Yes, many of you have given the correct. Anuj Sharan, correct answer. Anuj Sharan also has given the correct answer. So, yes. So instead of an, around the ashram, because we are talking of one particular ashram. Nirbhay also correct answer. Siddhi Shri, Nirbhay, Anuj, सुगन तुम अगले का भी आंसर दिए हो ना. अच्छा, हम सोच रहे थे कि ओके. Around the ashram playfully in order to. Sugandh answer is correct. Advait answer is correct. Bhavya answer is correct. Shreyasi, your answer is also correct. Yes, Shreyasi also has given the correct answer. Pragya also.
In order to draw.
हाँ.
Draw. मैम ड्राइंग की जगह मैम
हाँ,
ड्रॉ होगा.
ड्राइंग के जगह ड्रॉ होगा वही. That is the correct answer. Yes. Pragya, Shreyasi, Ananya gave the correct answer. Anuj Sharan also correct answer. Neha also correct answer. Himanshu Raj. Himanshu also gave the correct answer. Avinash, Nirbhay, Aditya Raj, Himanshu Raj. Yes. Himanshu Raj, Aditya Raj. Yes. Many of you gave the correct answer. In order to draw. Drawing is the wrong word. Yes, draw. Yes, draw is the correct word. In order to draw Sita's attention. Then next one. Sita is gathering flowers near the ashram. Is changes to, yes.
Has.
Was.
Was.
Yes.
Was.
Shreyasi, Aditya Raj, Ananya answer correct. Priyanshu Raj also has given the correct answer. Yes, Priyanshu, Aniket also correct answer. Supriya also correct answer. Supriya, Aniket, Nirbhay, Siddhi Shri. Yes, many of you gave the correct answer. Is the wrong word and the correct word is was. Sita was gathering flowers near the ashram while she suddenly saw the golden deer. While she suddenly saw the
When.
golden deer.
Ma'am, when.
Siddhi gave the
When.
Siddhi Shri answer correct. Bhavya also correct answer. Pragya correct answer. Neha correct answer. Ananya also correct answer. Neha, Ananya, Aniket also answer is correct. Shreyasi answer is correct. Priyanshu Raj also answer is correct. Yes, many of Nishu Nayan क्या लिखे उस नहीं Nishu you think once again. Anuj Sharan correct answer. Anuj Sharan also gave the correct answer. Anuj Sharan, many of you gave the correct answer. When जब उसने देखा. While is the wrong word. While तो contrast के लिए use होता है. यहाँ पर preposition, yes, connector is the wrong. When she suddenly saw the, जब उसने उस सोने के हिरन को देखा. Enchanted with the charming beauty of the.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of enchanted?
Enchanted मतलब मंत्रमुग्ध हो जाना. Extremely, what you call. Yes, Shreyasi answer is correct. Shreyasi. Ananya also answer is correct. Ananya, Shreyasi, Siddhi Shri also correct answer. नहीं Siddhi Shri also correct answer. Siddhi Shri, yes. Sugandh also correct answer. Sugandh, your answer is also correct. Sugandh. Okay. Enchant. Here also we have a preposition mistake. Enchanted by. Enchanted by the charming beauty of the animal, she asked Rama and Lakshmana to look into the exquisite animal. To look, yes, Shreyasi, correct answer. Shreyasi, nahi, Siddhi Shri, your answer is not correct. Shreyasi, answer is correct. करेक्ट आंसर इज एट, टू लुक एट द, पहले उसने उसको दिखाया, हाँ, तब उसको बोला कि पीछे जाओ, लुक एट द एक्सक्विजिट एनिमल, सो इनटू इज द रॉन्ग वर्ड, लुक एट, so look at is the correct answer. Okay. So next one, what is the, okay, देखते हैं कुछ और ओमिशन है या सिर्फ एडिटिंग है, सब एडिटिंग ही है. These are editing. Okay. Okay. So what will be the answer? What is the error?
In a certain village.
Yes. In a certain, yes. Yes, Nirbhay, Ananya, correct answer. Neha Sinha, correct answer. Shreyasi, correct answer. Shreyasi, correct answer. Yes, in a certain village. At is the wrong word. Correct word is in. In a certain village in the province of La Mancha at Spain, there lived the gentleman.
Instead of live, we used lived. They lived.
Yes, Advait, correct answer. Nirbhay, correct answer. Ananya, correct answer. Nirbhay, Advait, Ananya, correct answer. Neha Sinha, also correct answer. Yes, there lived. In the second, this is the mistake. Live is the wrong word and correct word is there lived. The gentleman of about 50 years of age. Shreyasi, correct answer. नहीं अद्वित का. Ananya, correct answer. Ananya. Shreyasi, correct answer. Ananya, correct answer. Pragya, correct answer. Siddhishri, correct answer. Siddhishri, correct answer. Yes, yes. So the correct answer is a gentleman. There lived a gentleman. कोई हम particular gentleman का बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, एक gentleman थे, a gentleman. So in error correction you can get any kind of mistakes, as you have seen, preposition, connector mistake, tense mistake, pronoun mistake, determiner mistake. So here, a gentleman of about 50 years of age. He was tall and thin and has giant features. Very easy, because the passage is in the past tense. Yes, Pragya,
Ma'am,
correct
change born
answer.
होगा.
हाँ. Shreyasi, correct
Born.
answer. Advait, correct answer. Advait, Shreyasi, Ananya, correct answer. So here, Has is the wrong word. Correct word is had. Because the passage is in the past tense. Had, ये lived, there lived a gentleman. Passage जो है शुरू हुआ है past tense में, तो tense का sequence भी maintain होना चाहिए. Had giant features. At one time he is rich, but now he was poor. At one time he was rich. Yes, Digambar
was
also
rich.
has given the correct answer. Yes, Digambar, your answer is also correct. Yes, Neha Sinha correct. Supriya correct answer. Shreyasi correct answer. Siddhishri correct answer. Siddhishri, Neha, Shreyasi correct answers you give. So at one time he was rich. एक समय वो अमीर था. But now he was poor. At one time he was rich, but now he was poor. Why he had sold all his lands? Okay. So, hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Screen is okay. Okay. So you do the next one. Next, why he had sold all his lands? He was poor. Yes. Siddhishri correct answer. Shreyasi correct answer. Siddhishri, Shreyasi correct answer. So here also you have a connector mistake. Pragya Sridhishri gave the correct answer because he had sold all his land. At one time he was you try to guess, you try to understand the meaning of the passage and then you can do it correctly. At one time he was rich. एक समय वो अमीर था लेकिन अब वो गरीब हो गया क्योंकि उसने अपना सारा जमीन बेच दिया. You try to understand the meaning of the passage. Because he had sold all the lands. Why is the wrong word? Here you have a connector mistake. You have to understand and understand the meaning of the passage. Then you can give. वो गरीब हो गया क्योंकि उसने अपना सारा जमीन बेच दिया. Because he had sold all his lands. At buy books.
For buy books.
For buy नहीं. For buy नहीं होगा.
To buy books. To buy books. Sorry, ma'am.
Two is the correct answer. Yes, Shreyasi, Anuj Sharan, Siddhishri, Supriya gave the correct answer. Yes, to buy books. सुनने में एकदम ये लगना चाहिए. To buy books. He loved reading and to buy books. So he loved reading and spending his time between his beloved books. Between his beloved books. Yes, Siddhishri, correct answer. When I taught you preposition, what did I tell? When there are many things, what do you use?
Among.
दो रहता है तब between है. या books सिर्फ दो तो नहीं होंगे, बहुत सारे किताबें होंगे. हाँ, तो between कहाँ use होता है? दो के लिए. He divided the land between the two brothers. He distributed the cake among the students. So between is used for two. Here there are more than two books. So among.
Can we use with?
Spending all his time. He loved reading and spending all his time. Yes, you can use with also. Yes. There are some words which you can substitute with more than one word. Among his with his beloved books. Or okay, okay. Okay, then a city of Venice attracts many a traveler.
There are two mistakes.
There are two mistakes.
Many.
ये many के साथ many के साथ a use हुआ है, इसीलिए है.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
First word, a city of
ma'am,
Venice.
the city of
And the correct one will be the city of Venice.
हाँ,
The
the
city
city,
of-
यही mistake है. This is the
Many
yes,
mistake.
ma'am.
Is
And
the
ma'am,
wrong.
attracts many a traveler. Is it correct?
Attracts many travelers. Many a
Ma'am,
traveler.
many of
Yes, ma'am.
travelers.
Ma'am, many of travelers.
Many of travelers.
Many travelers. मुझे लग रहा है ये प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक्स हो सकता है ऐसे. Many
Yes,
हो
ma'am.
सकता है. हाँ, कभी कभी कोई एक्सरसाइज में प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक्स भी हो. The city of Venice attracts many travelers as it lies sparkling in the sunshine.
मैम आपने खुद ही आंसर बता दिया. Lies.
हाँ?
Yes.
Ma'am, इनका अंडर मैम
मैम आपने
इनका
आंसर
अंडर
खुद
होगा.
बता दिया.
The answer.
किसका?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, as it lies.
हाँ, as
Yes,
it
ma'am.
lies.
Ma'am,
Lies.
बता दिया क्या?
Guys,
As it lies.
आपने
Why?
खुद
Because
बता दिया.
Venice is singular. Venice is singular. So for singular, what do you use? Verb with s. For singular subjects, what do you use? Verb with s. I've already told
Ma'am.
you. हाँ, बोलो आदित्य, कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हो?
मैम मैं ध्रुव.
अपुर,
ध्रुव
हाँ,
बोलना
बोलो
चाह रहे हैं.
अपुर.
मैम ध्रुव.
अच्छा, ध्रुव बोलो ध्रुव.
मैम इनका अंडर नहीं हो सकता है.
कहाँ पर? किस?
मैम
स्पार्कलिंग?
एज इट लाइक
नहीं
स्पार्कलिंग
इनका
अंडर द
अंडर
सनशाइन.
नहीं, वो इन द सनशाइन ठीक है. धूप में, इन द सनशाइन. लाई स्पार्कलिंग इन द सनशाइन. It's correct. Lies is the mistake. Why? Because you cannot use lie with Venice. यहाँ lie जो है कौन सा नाउन के लिए यूज हुआ है? वेनिस के लिए, सिटी ऑफ वेनिस. तो सिटी ऑफ वेनिस इज सिंगुलर. So you have to use s with the verb. सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट में हम वर्ब में s लगाते हैं. तो lies, sparkling in the sunshine, its building reflecting in the waters of the canals.
Water.
Deflected.
Ma'am, reflects.
Reflects, ma'am.
Ma'am, reflect.
Neha has given the correct
Ma'am,
answer.
reflect. Ma'am, only reflect.
Neha
Yes,
has
ma'am.
given the correct answer. Reflecting in the water of the canals. ये water जो है, it can't, for all the
And water.
uncountable, for all the
And water.
uncountable noun, you don't have the plural form. जैसे
Yeah, ma'am.
smokes, हाँ, ये water, smokes नहीं ना बोलते हैं, हाँ, airs नहीं बोलते हैं. उसका मीनिंग डिफरेंट हो जाता है. तो फॉर नो, फॉर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स we don't use s. If you see all the uncountable nouns, rice, sugar, इस सब के लिए हम s नहीं यूज करते हैं. हाँ, so you have to remember this. For uncountable we don't use
Yes.
S. So reflecting in the water of the canals, there are much beautiful
मैम
churches.
much के जगह मैम many.
many
Many.
मच जो है
Some time ago,
मच जो है वो किसके लिए यूज होता है? मच यूज फॉर अनकाउंटेबल. When we studied determiners, we studied all this. Much is used for
मैम much sugar.
uncountables. और यहाँ चर्च तो काउंटेबल है, यहाँ चर्च काउंटेबल है, तो यहाँ many. मच के जगह क्या होगा? many. क्योंकि चर्च जो है काउंटेबल है, मच हम अनकाउंटेबल के साथ यूज कर. There are many beautiful churches, places and museums. In fact, most of their buildings, there are many beautiful churches.
It's instead of that.
Roots of its
time is
building.
over.
Most of
Ma'am, it-
its buildings, सही बोली.
It's
It's
Yes, ma'am.
most of its buildings are places. Are in fact most of its buildings. मतलब वेनिस को रेफर कर रहा है ना, पूरे वेनिस
Yes, ma'am.
के लिए तो इट्स ही यूज होगा. Most of its buildings are palaces long ago.
Ma'am, word instead of R.
Yes, Pragya,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
answer is correct. Yes, most. एक समय में वो
Ma'am,
बिल्डिंग्स जो है वो पैलेसेस हुआ करते थे.
मैम looks नहीं हो सकता है मैम look.
नहीं बिल्डिंग्स है ना. दे के साथ लुक्स कैसे यूज करोगे? दे प्लूरल है ना, प्लूरल के साथ.
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बिना एस वाला वर्ब. ये सब आर.
So they look.
Most of their buildings were palaces long ago. So they look grand and state. Some of them
So they
have
look.
been.
Ma'am had been. Ma'am have के जगह had.
Yes, ma'am. The some of have been converted into museums and libraries.
Ma'am but के जगह ma'am and library.
And
ये तो ठीक है, लेकिन इसमें हमको कुछ डाउट लग रहा है. Some of them have been converted, so they look grand
Ma'am,
and
are
state. Some of-
converted.
हाँ,
Ma'am had been.
Are converted. Some of them are converted.
have converted into had, ma'am.
नहीं had नहीं होगा. Have been converted.
Ma'am, are
बदल-
converted. Ma'am, are converted. Ma'am, are converted instead of have been.
मुझे तो इसमें कोई गलती नजर नहीं आ रहा. So they look grand and state.